This is the hood over here. I don't know who they're looking for, but they've been going close over here. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Typical hood shit, you know. Look how close he is. He's coming towards here. Oh shit. He about to come over here. I don't know what's going on, but he's been flying here. They've been flying around for like a good 5 minutes. So close. I don't know who they're looking for. Must be something serious going down. We're gonna have to find out. But he's around, man. He around. It's pretty weird how I never seen them so close like this. I don't know what's going on. But, you know, that's up to them to see what the fuck is going on. A lot of cops around though. I see a police officer over there. Around here, something fishy's going on. Somebody did some shit. That's what happens when you live in the hood. Oh, I see him again. He's coming back. Oh, look at him. Look at him. There he is right there. Some shit happened, man. We're gonna find out what happened. He's too close, man. He's coming this way now. Where'd he go? Somewhere around there. But there's police all around, man. I don't know what the fuck is going down. Some shit had to happen. Some serious shit happened. So police to come out here, to be around. Something's going down, man. Somebody getting caught. I'll find out more information when I get a chance. All right, guys. I'm gonna stop this recording right now because he's too close over here. I ain't trying to get shot.